Hello guys, welcome to the video and welcome to Space on Earth, the channel where we don't miss a tweet about the spaceflight industry. There has been a lot in this past few weeks, so let's dive right in. So here we can see the integration tower and then the orbital launch mount side by side, and from RGB aerial photography, so the birth of the orbital launch mount. This was August 14th, 2020. So then we could see how the progress was going, and now we can see how everything is. So from crypto rocket, so all four columns of the orbital launch mount integration is going on perfectly. So that was yesterday on our top right corner. That was yesterday, and the main video is today. So we can actually see that SpaceX is not slowing down. We are going to see this integration tower constructed within a very short period of time, and the orbital launch mount as well, because we're going to need both of them to help us fly these starships. So this is actually amazing. SpaceX workers are always very busy working, and I believe within a very short period of time we are going to see this integration tower and the orbital launch mount constructed. I'm actually very excited to actually see how the integration tower is going to be, and also how the arm is going to be like. We all have no idea. We are just waiting for engineers to actually build it for us to see how it's going to be. So fingers crossed. I'm sure we are going to see a very beautiful design of the orbital launch mount and then the integration tower. Everything is going to be smoothly, so we have to wait and see. And on the launch side, we can see serial number 15 sitting there peacefully with the mysterious structure, and also from Elon. So if we make life multiplanetary, there may come a day when some plants and animals die out on Earth but are still alive on Mars. So that is what Elon is saying, and that is actually very necessary and very critical to the survival of the human species. So we need to be multiplanetary species today. We need to be multiplanetary species now, because we do not know when any global catastrophe is gonna happen. So we need to be a multiplanetary species today. So we are all wishing SpaceX and Elon Musk good health and good ideas to actually pull this off, because it is not easy, to actually do what has never been done. Fingers crossed. We are supporting SpaceX and then the entire team. Thank you all for watching.